Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I will be doing step-by-step tutorial of digital art on Procreate. Halloween is coming up, so let's make something scary. Let's start with choosing the background color. I will be choosing dark blue. Now let's choose white color to make a moon, and we will be choosing painting brush. Then make a circle and put your finger on the screen and hold it to make a perfect circle. Then fill it up. Now create a new layer and add clipping mask to it. Select darker shade than white to give detailing on the moon. Then choose a brush from organic. Let's take the cotton pattern. And now let's give a detailing on the moon. Then you can play around with your brush to give any pattern that you like. Now let's add light to the moon. We will do Gaussian blur here by choosing a new layer and then applying the Gaussian blur as much as you like. Now let's move our moon to the right side because we will be adding more items to our canvas. Now let's group all the layers from which we created moon and add a new layer, then choose color black. We will be choosing drawing brush now to make grass on the bottom. I have changed the size of the brush to give it feel and texture like grass. This seems right. Now let's change our brush and make some tombstones. I feel like background is too dark. Let's change it to lighter blue. Yeah, this looks better. Let's make some more tombstones, then add cross on it. And I would also like to add some hands, some scary hands. Before that, let's add one bird, like crow. Let's try it. I'm changing the size of the brush. Now let's draw. This looks right. Here come the scary hands. Let's draw one here. Then another one on the left because there's some empty space. Let's fill it up. Okay. Let's make a new layer for making a house or a scary castle. I will be making rough lines to give it a structure. Even if it's not perfect, don't worry about it. We will fill it up. Okay, almost there. Now let's give it a door and windows. I'm just making a rough sketch. After this, okay, some detailing. Let's add a lamp in the empty space on the right. Okay, a bulb in there. Alright, now let's make the second floor. Again, just rough drawing. Let's give it a roof. And a little structure. Okay, and third floor. Okay. House is almost done. Let's make a cross. And then I also want to add a chimney on both sides. Okay. Look at that. Now let's give windows or detailing to the house. We will be adding few windows on the second floor, then on the third floor as well. Okay, our scary castle looks small. Let's add one more floor on the top, and then the fun part, we will fill it up. Okay, let's add window now, and then one small chimney on the top. Now let's give it a color. Alright, let's add a new layer to give color to our windows. I will be choosing pink. Let's move our new layer behind the house and grass layer so it won't overlap. Now let's choose the brush. I choose spray paint with medium nozzle. Let's color it up. Look at the beautiful pink windows. It looks nice, but I want to add more detailing. Let's add purple color in it to make it more scary. I'm liking the way it's turning out. Okay, one more window and all done. I'm adding color to the light, to the bulb on the right we added before. Look at that. I'm not so happy with the size of the moon. Let's make it bigger. Let me make detailing on the moon little darker by changing the layer setting, modifying it to the setting darken. Let me show you something interesting. Go on actions, then click on canvas, then switch on drawing guides, then click on edit drawing guides. Then go on symmetry settings and then switch on the assisted drawing. Now you can create, like I am going to make a bat here, and you will get the mirror image of the bat you are creating on left on the right side as well. As you can see here, you will be getting the middle guide, the line, small line you can see. Okay, look at that. Let's create one more. Still have some space. Let me add one bird in there. Let me make a flying crow. Okay. Done. Now let's move things around. I want to move them. Let's make it a little smaller. And this looks perfect. Okay, now I'm going to move this bat. Oh no. Yeah. Okay. Other bat to the left hand side because we have more space there. Let's rotate it like this. Okay. Now alright. Okay, I wanna add a tree on the left, so let's move our crow to right hand side. Okay, I selected. Now let's move it on the side of the castle. Okay. Yeah. This looks okay. Now I have space on the left to add a tree. Now let's clean our house windows. Alright, it's almost done. Okay, let's make a tree now. Oops, I forgot to disable my symmetry settings. Give me a minute, let me turn it off. Alright, now let's make a tree. Okay. To make it more scary, we will add some broken branches, curved ones. Okay, my tree is ready. Now let's add some star to the background. Make a new layer and then move it all the way back so that it will not overlap all the items on the canvas. Now let's change opacity of the layer so the stars will look more blended to the background. Now if you like, you can add more details to your drawing, like I will be adding lamp here with a yellow light and a bulb in it. I'm changing color, choosing brush. The same thing, spray paint, medium nozzle. Change the size, then spray in the lamp. I want edges to be more visible, so let's highlight the boundary of the lamp. Yes, this looks better to me. I feel like background is still dark. Let me change it to little light shade of blue. Alright, this works, and this is the final output. Let me know what you guys think about my digital art on Procreate. If you like this video, make sure you like, share and subscribe my channel. It will encourage me to make more videos like this. Thank you, and thank you for watching.